Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Chapter 3 Bill, Profit and Loss Part 4. In this video we are going to focus on exercise 3.2 miscellaneous problems. The question: a shopkeeper buys 3 articles for rupees 325, rupees 450 and rupees 510. He is able to sell them for rupees 350, rupees 425 and rupees 525 respectively. Find the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole. So listen carefully ma. So far we have learnt about with a single object only, isn't it? So with one single object we found out gain or loss, isn't it? Right. But in this question we are going to find overall 3 objects. Clear? See, in the sum they have given 3 articles. It might be diary or any other gift item or any other toys. Okay, fine. So come to the portion. Here is the solution ma. As it is, CP of 3 articles. First as usual என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அதுல இருந்து நம்ம எடுத்து எழுத பழகணும். So first என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க CP இல்லையா? So cost price of 3 articles I have given. If we add all these 3 amount, we will get rupees 1285. Clear? Then what is the next one? Sell them. அப்ப sell ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So selling price of 3 articles. Clear? So அதையும் நம்ம add பண்ணிடலாம். After adding we get the answer of rupees 1300. Right? So what is our next duty? We have to compare with CP or SP. Right? So இப்ப பார்க்கும்போதே நீங்களே கண்டுபிடிச்சிருப்பீங்க which is greater. Yes, SP only greater, isn't it? So as usual நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி alphabetical orderல CP க்கு அப்புறம் தான் SP வரும். So அதை விட அதாவது CP விட SP அதிகமா இருந்தா நமக்கு கண்டிப்பா profit தான். Right? Okay, don't forget this and don't forget this formula. So profit equal to SP minus CP. So just to substitute all these details of SP and CP, then we will get the profit of rupees 15. Therefore, the shopkeeper gained rupees 15. Second sum, a stationery shop owner bought a scientific calculator for rupees 750. He had put a battery worth rupees 100 in it. He had spent rupees 50 for its outer pouch. He was able to sell it for rupees 850. Find his profit or loss. So listen carefully. A stationery shop owner bought a scientific calculator like this. So sure you will use this in the higher classes. Okay. He had put a battery also for this worth rupees 100. So 2 batteries are needed like this. Fine. So finally not only this, he bought the outer pouch also. Right? Okay. So overall he fixed it everything and then he was able to sell it for rupees 850. So now we are going to find whether it's a profit or loss. Just check it ma. As usual, CP of 3 articles, that's equal to 750, 100 and 50. After adding all this amount, we get the answer of rupees 900. Just check it. Now this is the CP. Clear? Okay, this is the cost price. So come to the selling price. What is that? It's rupees 850, isn't it? So SP equal to 850. What is our next duty? Just we have to compare. So which is greater? Yes, CP only greater, isn't it? Fine. So CP greater means sure it's a, yes, you're right, loss. Right? So after this we have to fill the details and find the loss. How much amount? That's what we are going to find now. So rupees 900 minus rupees 850, that's equal to rupees 50. So the shop owner lost rupees 50 amount. Clear ma? See, before selling we must calculate everything so that we avoid the loss. Hope you understand? Fine. Nathan paid rupees 800 and bought 10 bottles of honey from a village vendor. He sold them in a city for rupees 100 per bottle. Find his profit or loss. See here, Nathan paid a honey bottle, okay, bottles of honey from a village vendor. Why? Because wild honey is always healthy and tasty and it's pure. So try to get like this wild honey. Fine? Okay. Do you like the honey? Yes, I too like, but we should not eat like this. So the everything is a limit. So this is the way of, yes, like this. We can check whether the honey is pure or not. Just the one of the method. Right. Come to our portion ma. See, we have to find the CP first, isn't it? So CP of 10 bottles of honey is equal to rupees 800. That's what given. So we have to find for one bottle, right? எதனால ஒரு பாட்டிலுக்கு மட்டும் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம்? பிகாஸ் அவங்க எஸ்பி வந்து எஸ்பி ஆஃப் ஒன் பாட்டிலுக்கு தான் அங்கே அமௌண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதனால நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது போத் மஸ்ட் பி இன் அ சேம் லெவல். ஓகேவா? அதனால தான் இங்கேயும் நம்ம சிபி ஆஃப் ஒன் பாட்டில் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ சிபி ஆஃப் ஒன் பாட்டில் ஆஃப் ஹனி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு rupees 800 divided by 10. நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி நிறைய கொடுத்து சிங்கிள் பீஸ் கேட்டாலே ஷுர் வி மஸ்ட் டூ டிவிஷன் ஒன்லி. Right? So after finding division, 800 divided by 10, if we cancel 0, 0, the answer is rupees 80. Clear? Fine. Now come to the SP. SP of one bottle of honey, that's equal to rupees 100, which is given, isn't it? Fine. Now we can compare these two. So CP or SP, which is greater? Yes, sure, it's a SP only. That means it's a profit. Fine. As usual, just substitute all the details and find the profit. Rupees 20 is the answer for this. So now we find the profit for one bottle only. Am I right? So we need to find for 10 bottles. For that, what to do? We have to multiply like this. So profit of 10 bottles equal to rupees 20 into 10. That's equal to, yeah, what? So 2 zeros are there, isn't it? So just to multiply and get 200. So overall profit, that's equal to rupees 200. Can you understand now? Fourth sum, a man bought 400 meter of cloth for rupees 60,000 and sold it at the rate of rupees 400 per meter. Find his profit or loss. So first listen here, look at the second image. Like this only, in the factory they prepare the cloth like this, right? So after making this cloth, they give the colorful design. Finally we will buy the cloth and then we stitch the cloth, right? Okay, so come to the solution. So இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா 400 மீட்டர் மொத்தமா வாங்கிட்டு வர்றாங்க. எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு? 60,000க்கு. அதை வந்து ஒரு மீட்டருக்கு rupees 400 அந்த ரேட்ல விற்கிறாங்க. So now we need to find the profit or loss. So here is the solution ma. Cost of 400 meter of cloth, that's equal to rupees 60,000. Now this is the CP, right? Okay, so selling price பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க வந்து ஒரு மீட்டருக்கு தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we need to find for 400 meter. Okay va? Okay, so SP of 400 meter of cloth, that's equal to 400 into rupees 400. Why? So first 400 வந்து meter ma. So அதனால next இருக்கிறது வந்து rupees 400. Clear? If we multiply these two, we will get the answer of 1,60,000. How? Yes, 400 line 2 zeros are there and rupees 400 also we have 2 zeros. So in our answer 4 zeros are there. So that's also very important. So listen carefully. So 4 4s are 16. So our answer is correct. Now this is the SP, isn't it? Fine. So just to compare these two, SP only greatest, right? Okay, so what is the next work? Sure, it's a profit. Fine. So fill the details and find out the profit now. So 1,60,000 minus 60,000, that is equal to 1 lakh. So profit of this cloth for 400 meter of cloth, that man got 1 lakh. Clear ma? In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு. Like a Hellcat.